In this video, we will show you how to replace your front fog lamp assembly on this Chevy Silverado. This will be mounted to your front bumper. Let's get into it. All right, let's prepare to install our brand new fog lamp assembly. The first thing we'll do is have a look along the back side. This area is the adjustment for the beam of your fog lamp. If you find that you need to raise it or lower it, this is the area to do so. You'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver. Along here is where the bulb's located. For that, all you need to do is go ahead and line it up, turn it clockwise to lock it in. Now let's get this in position. Okay, friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way underneath the front of the vehicle. Now in this area, we can see our fog lamp assembly and our wiring harness, which leads to our bulb. Let's go ahead and disconnect the wiring harness. It has one small locking tab. Typically, you can pull that out and away. We'll give this a quick inspection for corrosion. This looks fine, and we'll set it aside. Continuing on, there's two pieces of mounting hardware up along the top of the housing. Up in this area, we can find that we have two 10mm headed mounting bolts to remove. As you remove these, just keep in mind these are the only things holding this in place. A quick inspection of the hardware as you continue. Replace as necessary. With that out of place, let's make sure we clean and inspect each one of our mounting clips here to confirm they're not rotted, weak, or damaged. These look fine. Now, as we bring this up into position, we're going to start our bolts through the mounting ports on the assembly itself. Now we can start bringing this up into position along where each one of our two clips is. It can be a little bit difficult to get this aligned as you continue on. Just have some patience. We have them both started in. Let's continue on with our 10mm and we'll snug them up. Okay, right there's bottomed out. Just take it a tiny bit further, continue on. Bottomed out. Tiny bit further. Let's take hold of the assembly. We'll attempt to give it a wiggle. With that properly seated, let's continue on to connecting our bulb here. We've got our wiring harness. We'll line that up, press it into position. Listen for a click, a light tug confirming it's properly secured in place. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. The next thing that you want to do is go ahead and test the functionality, make your adjustment, and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.